is a lovely overcast day on the Washington coast. When I opened it, it felt weird. One of the hinges broke. Every time we look out a window, there's a spider. Dude, did you see the spiders?
This is a place of mystery and romance.
Apparently we're staying on top of a mountain tonight. I thought we were gonna be closer to the water.
She's been dying and eyeballing this water the whole way down.
It is a lovely overcast day on the Washington coast. Fall is starting to settle in and it's getting cold. I took some of my fall clothing out that I usually keep down below when it's warmer out. A pair of my socks have a hole. So I went to grab my sewing box to just stitch them up really quick so I can get another season out of them. That didn't go so well for two reasons. Reason number one, I still have not found my sewing box. And reason number two is that our bed is on a hinge. When I opened it, it felt weird. One of the hinges broke. They ripped out. So as you can hear, Brian is attending to the situation.
My kneecap was being pinched in there.
Two screws half an inch away from each other that are this deep.
It's like your dad said, they put the shocks they put on these things, they're just way too strong.
Yeah.
You know, like it ends up pulling every screw out.
All right. I found my sewing stuff, so now I can do what I need to fix. Stayed for one night yet again, because it's just a roadside stop. Fall is starting up. And we can definitely see that by all the giant spiders that are starting to collect on us. And we've been moving every day, but somehow every time we look out a window, there's a spider. Dude, did you see the spiders? Look at that. There's another one over here too. All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Roll. It was just water.
Just a puddle of water, but
Yeah.
Brian thought he saw a puff of smoke or something, so he just pulled off on the side of the road to double check it. Seems like we're okay. There are a couple puddles of water on the road, so maybe it was just the lighting playing tricks on his eyes or something. Better to double check than just blow it off and you have a blowout. We were just wondering how all the huge barges came in through this bridge because it's low right here. And just up ahead, there's a huge barge just about to go under the bridge that we're currently driving on.
Grade on this bridge looks insane. I've never seen anything like this before in my life.
We're now in Astoria, and Brian's very excited because this is where the Goonies was filmed.
If you're a Goonies fan like me, then you understand. And if you don't, go watch it again.
Goonies never say die!
Brian says, I want to see this shit too. This is bonkers. This is crazy view. Let me put my pants back on.
The drive from Oregon, or drive through Oregon, has been pretty spectacular, and we just came upon this, I don't even know what you call it, a rock ledge that we're driving on. We had to stop and check it out. This is a place of mystery and romance. Linnea County Mountain has been the subject of stories and legends for hundreds of years. The local native people told another story. There's a pirate treasure trunk buried on the mountain. Spot is marked with an inscribed rock and guarded by the ghost of a man who was buried with the treasure. Treasure hunters have searched the mountain, finding stones with markings like this one. The State Land Board called a halt to treasure hunting in 1989, which is not so long ago.
Apparently we're staying on top of a mountain tonight. I thought we were going to be closer to the water in elevation. Definitely not complaining. This is freaking beautiful. Did you know we were going to be this high up in elevation?
I didn't know it was this high.
When they say overlook, they mean overlook, huh?
Yeah, big time.
Earlier today we went to Costco, got a slice of pizza, and restocked. It was our first Costco run since before we went into Canada, which was before July. It's a little packed. Yes, there is a whole rotisserie chicken in there and a gallon of milk that is about to fall out. I'm gonna try and wade through this to make us a snack and hopefully not die in a food avalanche.
But while we're up here, and then I guess over the next couple days while we're in Oregon, Katie's been cooking like a monster, getting all of our food prepping done for, I think she's got like 3 weeks worth of food ready to go.
We got stuffed cabbage, we got Cajun dirty rice, butternut squash soup, and chicken noodle soup, minus the noodles that we just add the day that we eat them.
While she's doing that, I'm gonna be doing some of the little repairs that we got going on. Just little things from the manufacturer that maybe weren't right. We're going to get those squared away and made better than it came from the factory. There's only one problem with fixing things right now is I only have one clamp. That means I can only do one project at a time, so I guess this will take like 3 days. We woke up to a windstorm this morning, and being on top of the crest of a hill isn't always the safest place to be during a windstorm. So we're getting out of here a little bit early.
Oh shit, there's a spider in here, dude. He fucking made it inside. You're right. I don't think they can get in here, dude.
Oh my
Holy
God.
shit. Buddy.
Dude.
Oh, I don't like this. How did it get inside?
I told you, man.
Oh, buddy.
Get him. Holy shit.
Holy crap. I'm sorry, buddy. I just rolled my ankle.
Are you okay?
Yep. Goodbye, Spot. We stopped at a park to get some water, which was super convenient just to pull up and use a spigot really quick. A lady passing by told Brian that she was going for a little hike to the beach, so no matter what kind of beach it is, it's a good beach for a sandwich. Do you remember the name of this park? Is this Devil's Lake? This is where we are. Insert name here, editing Brian.
This is a perfect day, man. It started out really windy, and we thought it was going to be a little miserable getting out of there, but it was actually fairly nice. It was a fairly nice drive. It was really calm, 35 miles an hour until you hit the 101, and we actually did 55, I think, for 10 miles. Get this girl into the water.
Yeah.
She's been dying and eyeballing this water the whole way down. So there was no way I was going to stop her from going in it. Hopefully this beach is as beautiful as all the other ones. Watch for sneaker waves.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why are they so dangerous?
Is that like a little fart or something? Yeah, that might be a little too big for Katie today.
Yeah.
You know, and we're pretty unfamiliar with where there's rocks, but we're gonna sit here and enjoy it anyways. Katie.
Excuse me.
Is that one of those sneaker waves?
We just heard the infamous sneaker wave.
While we were having lunch, we got to see a whale puff out some water out of his blowhole as he was passing by. Getting some lunch as well, probably.
Yeah, I got some sunshine after those cold days in the forest.
Well, the sandwich was good, but I don't think we're getting in the water.
Why not? I'm gonna get in the water. What are you talking about?
Oh, look at there.
I'm just not gonna surf. That water's actually colder than the other day. Sure, the waves are a little too wild for body surfing today, but that just means more time to kick back on the sand, share lunch with some of the people I love, and soak it all in. And honestly, I wouldn't trade that for anything.
Beautiful ocean out here. The lighthouse sitting at the end of it. We're gonna sit here on the side of the road and camp out for the night. We're gonna head farther south and see if we can find another cool beach. How you feeling this morning?
I feel great because Brian promised me clam chowder.
We're going to historic Nye Beach this morning.
Why is it historic? Cliffhanger. What? Right now?
Okay. It's historic because it is one of the first tourism cities in Oregon. Founded in, I believe, the early 1800s, mid 1800s by Mr. Nye. Where'd you go? You scaring yourself?
No, you scared me.
Oh.
Okay, so the car is super safe and amazing, and whenever you throw it in park, all the doors conveniently unlock, which is amazing. However, my elbow was right there. And the little thingy popped up right on my elbow. We conveniently found a really good parking spot for our giant rig.
It's a beautiful day out for sure, but the weather is starting to come in. This beach right here would be absolutely amazing if it was yesterday's weather. And we probably could have got Katie in the water with these wave sets. They're much more her speed.
And the tide's different too. They're more rolling as opposed to just crashing on the beach.
Are you remembering the glory days of Glamis? Yeah.
We'd be great at charades.
Put us on your charade team. We're good. We've been running into some of the flattest beaches that I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, there's people literally riding bikes on this beach right now. You okay?
Yeah.
Did you get stung by a jellyfish?
I don't think so, but I squished on it.
Did you?
Yeah. I think I just stepped on a jellyfish. I'm not really sure.
Oh no!
So when you're walking around here, make sure that you look out for the jellyfish.
Most of the time when a jellyfish washes up on the shore, its bill, the top of it will usually be up. So if you do step on them, that's not the part that has stingers, so you should be okay. I feel like they're the ocean's version of like the slippery banana.
Well, it creeped me out, and here's a replay. Should we go get some clam chowder?
Heck yeah, we should go get some clam chowder.
Yeah, let's go get some.
Love the house color choices here. They're just really beautiful and well done.
Whenever Katie takes us to a seafood restaurant, it's always closed. We made it down here to Yaquina Bay, and we're going to Moe's, which has been around since 1942. We're excited. Thanks, bud. Menus? What do you need a menu for? We already know what we got in the oven. Being able to come to places like this is a big treat for us. We don't get to spend a whole lot of money while we're on the road, and we make most of our food. But it's time we get some seafood from the Northwest.
We've only seen like 1,000 fishing boats and trawlers on the ocean, so.
Walking in here, the smell was just incredible.
Hi
there.
Hello. Welcome into Most Original.
Bacon.
Enjoy that, okay?
Awesome. Oh, this smells amazing. Yeah, some chunks of bacon in there.
Family. And I came up to the table. There were several chowders. We can't the first.
I think we came to the right place. It's good, right?
Yeah, that's really good. All right, guys, we're gonna eat lunch and then we're gonna start heading south after this. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to like and subscribe below.